Hello everybody! Welcome back for another virtual Discover Your Park walk provided by Truckee Meadows Parks Foundation. My name is Sierra and I am accompanied by fellow AmeriCorps members Jade, Emma, and Sunny. Today we are going to be exploring Lockwood Park and the Lockwood Loop Trail. The Lockwood Loop Trail is a 0.8 to 1 mile long loop that features the beautiful Truckee River. This trail is good for all skill levels with only a slight elevation gain of 16 feet and is primarily used for hiking and nature trips. Lockwood Park is a 29-acre park located near Sparks, Nevada on the border of Washoe and Story County. This park has amenities including a restroom with pit toilets, picnic areas, a bike rack, trails, and river access. Dogs are permitted in the park as long as they are leashed. There are also garbage cans available, so please remember to pick up after yourself while enjoying the park. With a charming mix of riparian and high desert views, Lockwood Park is the perfect place to enjoy a day on the river or wonder at another spectacular Truckee Meadows sunset.
The Truckee River Canyon has been used by travelers since the Gold Rush days. In the mid-1800s, a wagon road led through this area that climbed up into the Virginia mountains and dipped back down into the Hidden Valley area just south of here. By 1869, the first transcontinental railroad, the Central Pacific, ran through the canyon. Today, the Union Pacific travels along the same tracks. The East Truckee River Canyon was once privately owned, but thanks to the Nature Conservancy, Washoe County, and some federal agencies, today there is public access to the river. The park is a result of a 37-acre habitat restoration project spanning down about 0.6 miles of the Truckee River. The once standing trailer park that existed in this area was decommissioned after the 1997 flood. The land was acquired by the county through FEMA after the flood, which prompted the restoration project to turn it into a county park. The Nature Conservancy and U.S. Fish and Wildlife designed and managed the project.
In addition to the habitat restoration work, meanders were constructed and backwater channels were added to the Truckee River. This was done to correct the work of the Army Corps, who channelized the river in the late 1950s to try to reduce flooding upriver.
Throughout our hike, we spotted all kinds of wildlife, including hawks, mourning doves, northern flickers, and even an ostrich. Although we did not see any bats, this park is a perfect habitat for them. We also saw signs of feral horses. Although these horses are a symbol of the West, they actually cause environmental damage when left unmanaged. As you walk through the park, you may notice some of the trees have wiring protecting the bottom of their trunks. This is done to protect the trees from beavers. We didn't see any beavers during our hike, but maybe you will. In addition to hiking, Lockwood Park has many great river access points to fish from. Common fish found in the Truckee River include rainbow trout, brown trout, Lahontan cutthroat trout, and whitefish. Just don't forget to purchase a fishing license from the Nevada Department of Wildlife before you go.
Lockwood Park is also home to a wide diversity of plants. A native flowering shrub, wild rose can be identified by its thorny stems, serrated leaf margins, and its pink, rose-like flowers. During the fall, the rose hips can be harvested and a tea can be made that is rich in vitamin C, E, B, K, calcium, iron, and phosphorus. It can reproduce asexually by layering, which is when an aerial stem grows roots while still attached to the parent plant and later detaches as an independent plant.
Freeman's cottonwood and black cottonwood trees can be found at Lockwood Park. These cottonwoods used to form large riparian forests all along the Truckee River and are important because they provide valuable habitat for many bird species. They also provide cover, nesting, and foraging habitats for arthropods, squirrels, beavers, and other animals. In addition to their environmental significance, cottonwood trees play an important role in local Native American culture and are used for medicine, basket weaving, and making musical instruments.
Coyote willow, also known as sandbar willow, are native to Nevada and will often be found near cottonwood trees as they are co-dominant. Willows are often found along the riverbank because they need a lot of water. Additionally, willows are important to local Native American culture and are used for flexible poles, basket making, cord, string, and medicine for coughs and sore throats.
90% of the plants in any given four-winged saltbush population are dioecious, meaning they're either exclusively male or female. This is usually because the sex of any given plant is not fixed genetically. Within a year, 20% of the saltbush plants in a population will have switched sexes. The plant gets its name from its fruits, which have 4 membranous wings. The seeds are edible, have a mildly salty taste, and can be used to make flour.
Black locust trees are considered native to Nevada and all lower 48 states. These trees are widely cultivated but can easily become invasive due to their high seed production and prolific root sprouts. Honey produced using black locust nectar is considered choice. Additionally, this tree has been widely planted on old strip mines due to its ability to fix nitrogen and improve soil quality.
Although this trail is just under a mile long, it can get very hot, so don't forget water and apparel to protect yourself from heat stroke. To keep yourself safe from the heat, try wearing a wet bandana tied around your neck or a hat. Always make sure to carry a water bottle or camelback when hiking. Follow us on our social media for updates about our next Discover Your Parks walk at Bartley Ranch Regional Park in June.
If you would like to learn more about Lockwood Park, check out the park's rephotography project by clicking the link in the video description below. Find out more information about all your local parks on our website at tmparksfoundation.org. And until next time, don't forget to be a steward.